I'm here along Kings Highway in Midwood, and this busy stretch of stores really should be more bustling just ahead of Hanukkah and 3 weeks out from Christmas. But instead, the economic situation, it's quite similar to where we were at the height of the recession more than a decade ago. So all of this is the backdrop for these coronavirus stimulus talks that are finally happening in Washington once again.
I'm pleased that the tone of our conversations is one that is indicative of the decision to get the job done.
There was a note of optimism from Democratic House Speaker Nancy Pelosi today. Pelosi says she's working with Republican Senate leader Mitch McConnell on a plan that would both fund the government into next year and at the same time provide coronavirus relief. The deadline for that deal would be December 11th to avoid another government shutdown.
The bipartisan framework unveiled by the senators could be a basis for real bicameral negotiations.
The $908 billion proposal she's referring to includes funding to help fight the pandemic. But the biggest economic pieces include extending soon-to-be expiring unemployment benefits and adding a $300 weekly boost. There's also $228 billion for the popular Paycheck Protection Program and $160 billion for state and local governments.
And party is not the issue. It is the needs of the American people.
And that need is growing. Not only is the pandemic worsening, but the November jobs report released today shows that it's taking a toll on the American economy, which added only 245,000 jobs in November, much less than expected. The slowing job growth signals a slowing recovery. We're still down 9.8 million jobs since the beginning of the pandemic in February. What's more, with COVID cases surging, already battered industries are getting hit hard again. Retail and hospitality actually lost a combined 52,000 jobs in November. President-elect Joe Biden spoke about the jobs numbers and the need for more stimulus today.
There's no time to lose. Millions of people have lost their jobs or had their hours slashed. They've lost their health insurance or are in danger of losing their health insurance. 1 in every 6 renters is behind in rent.
There certainly is a rent and mortgage crisis bubbling under the surface. The current eviction moratorium in New York expires January 1st, although Governor Cuomo has extended it a few times. The moratorium in New Jersey is actually tied to the current state of emergency, so that'll last into next year, probably for quite a while. In Midwood, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.